What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. I'm so excited to be back. I hope you guys are doing well. It has been a hot minute. I have been up to some exciting stuff. I got my hands, well, I bought a Cummins and it was a lemon, and it came with all the Cummins issues that you guys are probably all aware of. And then we also bought an F-250 to steal the cab off of to put on our Dodge frame with the engine and transmission. When we got the Dodge, it didn't run or move, so we definitely knew there was a transmission issue. Once we got a little deeper into it, we ended up having to pull the head on it. We spent a lot of the summer getting that fixed, and we also fixed our transmission, which was also a lemon. The whole Dodge was a lemon. We have some work to do, so let's get right into it.
fucking 3.